Thanks for watching Twisted TV and welcome to the channel. Coming up on tonight's episode, we definitely have some suspicious activity, not to mention strange and unusual to say the least. Not sure what is going on with the world these days, however, let's take a look together. Before we get this weird one started, quickly as usual, grab the popcorn and your favorite beverage. Don't forget your favorite blanket, dim the lights and let's get started. Two coyotes wandering around at night. Be aware and keep your pets inside.
Captain.
This guy arrested him.
Okay.
This man is tackled by police in this front yard. The Morgan Grove apartments butt up to this backyard where he ran through. Homeowners didn't have any other information. Homeowners definitely need to invest in a new ring cam. The film quality is not so good to say the least. This man broke into this house this morning and is wearing the homeowner's curtains and holding their curtain rod like it's a cane or a staff. He appears to me to be mentally ill. Either way, completely creepy and strange to say the least. This is why you always keep those doors locked and those notifications on. Be aware of this man if you're in the area. Thanks
for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
This man-child Chooch attempted to steal this homeowner's granddaughter's bike. Thankfully he is unsuccessful and fails. Talk about shameful. Stealing mail. This man was looking in this mailbox not long after the postal worker delivered it. He didn't find anything of interest, so decides to throw their mail all over the ground. Talk about ridiculous. Drunk intruder. This man shows up to this house drunker than a skunk, trying their doorknob and swaying. This man needs to call an Uber and lay his head on a pillow. Check him out. Attempted break-in. Stranger attempts to break into this homeowner's shed until homeowner confronts him. Let's take a look.
Hear you. I can hear on camera.
Stranger danger. Strange shirtless man wandering this property acting completely suspicious and like he may be on the influence of something. Be aware and vigilant, my friends. Second attempt of someone trying to steal this bike in the same night, homeowners said. Keep your property locked up, people. Talk about completely strange and weird behavior in this one. I'm not sure what this guy is on or up to. Either way, someone call Ghostbusters or someone. Keep an eye out for this spook wandering around your neighborhood. Thanks, and always be aware and vigilant. Always keep those doors and windows locked.
Hey, what you need, man?
This criminal stole this homeowner's pet's package. Funny because the package he left was worth way more. This man clearly shows his face. Does anyone recognize him? If I didn't know any better, I would say he kinda looks like the Mandalorian to me. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Does this man look like Mando to you? Stolen chairs. This man helps himself to a couple of chairs like it's a free yard sale. What won't people steal these days? Keep an eye on your chairs, folks. Door handle wiggler on this one. Unknown person attempting to open doors. Be careful and always keep your doors locked. We upload new content weekly, most times daily. Please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss out on new content. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, keep it classy, always be aware and always be vigilant, my friends. Thanks.